Hey guys, do you want to know how to always smell good as a man? Having a great scent can make a big difference in how people perceive you and can give you more confidence in your daily interactions. So let's dive in and talk about some of the key ways you can work on improving yourself for always smelling good. First and foremost, it's important to start with good hygiene habits. This means showering regularly, using deodorant, and brushing your teeth. Make sure you're using good quality soap or body wash that suits your skin type, and consider using an exfoliating scrub to remove dead skin cells that can trap odors. Also, it's a good idea to wash your hair regularly and keep it well groomed to avoid any unwanted smells. Keeping your nails trimmed and clean can also help with overall hygiene. You may also consider using mouthwash to keep your breath fresh. Next, it's important to choose a good quality fragrance. There are many different types of fragrances to choose from, such as colognes, aftershaves, and body sprays. It's a good idea to choose a fragrance that suits your body chemistry and personal style. Try different fragrances and pay attention to the reactions of those around you to help you find the right scent for you. It's important to note that fragrance can be grouped into several types, such as woody, spicy, fresh, and citrus. It's useful to know which type is suitable for you and the occasions you attend. Also, if you're sensitive to strong scents, you can opt for more subtle and natural fragrance options, like essential oils or unscented products. Also, it's crucial to apply the fragrance at the right time of the day. Different fragrances are suitable for different times. For example, a fresher and lighter scent is more appropriate for a daytime, and a more intense and musky scent is better for nighttime events. When it comes to applying fragrance, you should only apply a small amount, as a little goes a long way. Apply the fragrance to pulse points, such as your wrists, neck, and behind your ears. These areas will help you to release the fragrance throughout the day. It's also important to note that the right time to apply fragrance is right after you take a shower, when your skin is damp. That way the fragrance can be absorbed better. Make sure to avoid overspraying, as it can be overpowering and can cause allergic reactions to those around you. Also, try to avoid mixing fragrances. It's always better to stick to one fragrance at a time and let it work its magic. Also, you should keep in mind that fragrance can change over time when exposed to heat, light, and air. It's best to store your fragrance in a cool, dark, and dry place. Additionally, it's important to pay attention to the clothes you wear and how they might affect the way you smell. Consider using fabric fresheners and avoid clothes that are too tight or made of synthetic materials that can trap odors. Also, make sure your clothes are washed and ironed properly, and avoid using too much fabric softener that can cover your own scent. You can also try to hang your clothes out in the sun to get rid of any bad odors and freshen them up naturally. Also, it's a good idea to have a few options of clothes that you can alternate so your clothes have time to air out between wears. And don't forget to always keep a spare set of clothes in case of unexpected spills or stains. Lastly, make sure to keep yourself refreshed throughout the day. Carry a small travel size of your favorite fragrance with you, and use it as needed to refresh your scent. Also, consider unscented wipes or deodorant wipes to keep yourself feeling fresh and clean throughout the day. And if you're going to be out for a long period of time, you can try packing a small container of powder to keep your underarms fresh and dry. Drinking plenty of water and eating a healthy diet can also keep your body smelling fresh and clean from the inside out. Additionally, it's important to be mindful of your surroundings. Certain environments can make you smell more pungent. For example, if you're in a humid or hot environment, or you're around strong smelling food or cigarettes, it's good to take extra precautions to keep yourself smelling fresh. And don't forget about your car. It's also a place where bad odors can linger. If you spend a lot of time in your car, it's a good idea to keep it clean and well ventilated. You can also consider using air fresheners or car odor eliminators to keep it smelling fresh. In conclusion, smelling good is about more than just the fragrance you use. It's also about maintaining good hygiene and personal grooming habits. By following these tips, you'll be sure to always smell great and make a great first impression. Remember to be confident and don't be afraid to experiment with different fragrances and grooming products to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to becoming the best smelling man and give it a thumbs up. See you next time.